If you had been there, what would you have done?
Not bashed Fuller in the face.
Would you dry off passports in the microwave?
That is what they planned. They were going to dry. I don't think of microwaves as something that dries things off.
No.
It heats things up.
Yeah.
It doesn't dry them off. You got to put them in the oven if you want them to be dried off.
Right. Don't put them in the microwave.
Yeah. And don't put them in the oven over 451 because, you know, that's the temperature.
Right.
Yeah.
You can probably set your oven to 200.
Yeah.
Like the warm setting.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just what you're going to have to do.